We are back to take another look at this friend's house in Mandurriao. They've done a lot of work. I showed the first video was the first look and where they ripped out the floor. Well, they've gone back, put the floor and the walls back in, and we're going to see how it looks. There'll probably be one more video after this. You can see in the stairway and on all the walls, they're putting in this smooth coat and repainting it so it looks much nicer. This is the child's bedroom. They did go back with wood floors, and this room got the walls put back, and it is the same size as it was. It's a good size room though, especially for some of the Filipino houses. They have got very small rooms, and this house has nice size rooms. Remember, they did have to take the walls out when they removed all the flooring, but this wall for the hallway into the bedrooms is also in the same place, but they removed one of the doors. They didn't do anything into the CR yet. Not sure if that's high on their priority list. I think they're trying to get the main things done first. This door is in the same place. That wall had a door to the second bedroom. It was 2 bedrooms, good sized rooms, but they kept the connecting wall open and removed one of the doors. So it is now one large room. This cabinet actually is where the door was, and the opening was a wall. So it was cut into 2 rooms, and they've opened it up, bedrooms on one side, office on the other, but it's actually going to be one room now. It's a very long room, and it's going to be really nice as an office. Here you can see the rectangular window and the round window. Both of those are gone. This wall was the rectangular window. That door was the round window. I really like that round window, but having a door to the patio is a good thing, and they fixed this patio up nicely. They repaired the soffits and the roof. They didn't replace them, they just patched what needed to be done, and they replaced all the rain gutters. They've added a roof out here to the patio, so this is really going to be nice. Keep it out of the rain. You got a good covered patio. I would immediately put a grill up here and start cooking because I like having a grill, and I really miss that in the condo. But this was that door leading into the office. It was, I said, it was the round window. So they had no access to this rooftop patio without going downstairs, and you had to come up the staircase. So this is nice having access. The staircase is still there. Here you can see all the new gutters. But yeah, the staircase comes from the driveway. The door goes into the office area, so they have extra access to the patio. They've built a huge tower for a water drum. They're going to be putting another drum up there, I believe. This is the downstairs bedroom. It's kind of a work in progress. They're rewiring almost the entire house, so this is all the conduits coming in, and there'll be a breaker panel there, and there will be a drop ceiling to cover all that up. The kitchen, they took the windows out and took out those cabinets. You can see the window here in the dirty kitchen. It was in between the 2 kitchens. So they removed the cabinets. They will come back later with cabinets, and they removed the windows to give them more room for cabinets. Not sure what the timeline is. They are already living in the house, so I think they're kind of ready to be done. So I think some of the stuff is going to wait and be done later. They're getting it livable because they're using the dirty kitchen while fixing the dirty kitchen, and you know that's always got to be fun. They've got their connections here for the washing machine, and it's coming along nicely. You can see it's almost done. There's just always going to be something else to do. You never run out. Here was the old ceiling on the driveway, and they've come back and finished that. It looks much nicer, and that is the stairs going up to the rooftop patio. So it's looking really nice. It wasn't a long job, but it was a pretty big job, and we'll get back here soon to see what the finished product looks like. Enjoy your day in paradise.